Hello everybody. So today we're going to be doing the chapter 5, which is Industry of Geography's class 8. So let's get straight into it. So now in this chapter we'll be talking about the input, the processing, the outputs, and we'll be talking about different industries: small scale, large scale, private sector, public sector, joint sector, cooperative, iron and steel industry, cotton industry, and the characteristics and location and cotton textile. So let's get into it. Okay, so this is not important honestly, but you should just read it once. Let's start from here. Okay, secondary activities of manufacturing change raw materials into products more valuable to people with pulp. See, now here's one example of input, processing, output. For example, we have wood pulp. Okay, wood pulp changes to paper. Okay, paper is the processing stage, and now paper can be made into what? It can be made into a notebook. You can sell it as paper itself. It can be made into a textbook. Our textbooks are made of paper, they're not made of steel. So that is that. Okay, so let's move on. So the paper made from wood pulp and cloth made from cotton have added value to them at each stage of the manufacturing process. In this way, the finished product has more value and utility than the raw product it is made from. Now see, if you give somebody wood pulp, they won't use it. It will not have much utility. But if you give them paper instead, paper will have a much more utility, as you use paper on a daily basis. But you can't use wood pulp for writing on your notebook or something like that, right? So that's why the finished product has more utility. That's why people are making the finished product. They're changing something into the finished product. Let's see how many pages there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, 13 pages. That's a pretty long chapter. So I'm going to try and get it over with as quick as possible. Let's go. So this paragraph now. Industry refers to an economic activity that is concerned with the production of goods, extraction of minerals, or provision of services. Remember this. This is the definition of industry. Okay. So industry refers to an economic activity that is concerned with the production of goods, extraction of minerals, and provision of services. Okay, let's move on to classification of industries. Industries can be classified on to the basis of